how to use a CPT2 code. The purpose of CPT2 codes is to tell the insurance that you're taking good care of patients. It's a good way to just fulfill all those measures and let them know that the patient is under control, or that they're really sick, depending on your goal. So for this example, we use diabetes. And the way that we're going to do that is add it into the reason for visit. That's the most important step. So let's say we finish the whole visit, and you're going to see that it's going to come up under procedure code, so diabetes CPT2 code, and that's going to alert the health insurance that the most recent A1C is less than 7. So you just go ahead and apply all. We're just gonna go ahead and apply all. I guess I'd have to.
No, unfortunately, since it's a 40-minute appointment, I don't have anything earlier.
I'll put that in.
The only thing is if you are able to pick up a Medicare form, but she does need to fill out before.
And then you just click bill, and then that lets the insurance know that your patient's A1C is less than 7%.
That's fine, yeah. That works too. Okay.